Good morning. Good morning. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. I'm 35. I'm 35. You need. She gives 10 for come here, Papa, plant your seed. She can grow right from the womb of Emily. Y'all, it's my birthday. OMG. I'm so blessed, so thankful, so grateful to be in this place. Like, I've been up since 6 this morning. I don't even wake up that early. Was I just excited that it was my birthday? I don't know. But nonetheless, where's this lisp coming from? I am up. I'm about to straighten up because my flight leaves in the morning at 8 in the morning, which means I gotta get there early. But I need to clean up because when I get back home on Sunday, I do not want to look at a dirty home. So I'm going to straighten up a little bit, do my lashes because that is a plan. I'm going to do my lash clusters and then get dressed and go have lunch. So yeah, that is the plan. I need to get cash today because we have to pay for some things when we get there. I need to get tampons because Aunt Flo is supposed to be showing up during this trip, which is so disrespectful. Kind of hope that there's a way. I should have talked to my best friend because she called me this morning. Side note, called me this morning and told me that there's a pill that I could have took so that it would delay it. Why I didn't think to ask, I don't know. Maybe because I've been moving and shaking and baking and waking and thinking and all freaking month of June that I didn't even think to reach out. But nonetheless, we ball. So tampons, Advil, ibuprofen, all the things. My Lemmy D-bloat will be available so that I can make sure that we looking good, we feeling good, but we still enjoying this trip because I be doggone. I get to Mexico and I'm talking about, I just want to lay down. Let's turn up. Let's get to the vibes. You know what I mean? I'm loving my hair today. Don't look too close. Okay, let me back y'all up some. Y'all in my business. Yeah. We got a few things to do, a few things to handle, clean up, make sure everything is vacuumed, bed is made, all the things. And then, yeah, packing is basically done. You look. This shirt needs to go back in there because I did a mini photo shoot late last night. The whole behind the scene is on TikTok, so go watch that. But everything is basically packed. We have our shoes, we have our swimsuits, undergarments, pajamas, outfits, going outfits, all the things. I need to put some accessories in here. I am prayerful, okay, and hopeful that my bags that I got my cousins for being on the trip arrive because the guys' bags arrived. They have their bags. They're just little bags to put there. Oh, excuse me. My other cousin got cups for us, shot glasses, and beach towels. And I got bags for the crew with their names on it. But for some reason, the tote bags for the ladies have not arrived yet. And when I tell you they have been in Texas since Monday or Sunday and they're still not here, like 37 miles away, and because they were from overseas, the contact place doesn't have a number or anything because I would go pick them up. Yesterday they said that they would arrive today. Well, actually, let's rewind. On Monday they said they would arrive the 23rd. Didn't happen. Checked the 23rd, said it would arrive today. Checked this morning and said it's going to arrive tomorrow. Guess who leaves tomorrow? I do. So we are hopeful. I am really hopeful that their bags arrive today. Like, I understand things change, things shift. I know Texas is huge, but you guys are only 30 miles away. 30 miles away is a good 45-minute drive. Maybe an hour with traffic. I'll give you that. But I paid expedited shipping, which was an additional $60. So I would love for these bags to arrive. But that is all I have for today. Let me get to cleaning. And yeah, let's get into the vibes. Alexa, play Spotify. Yeah, if you have not tried this Joe Malone peony and blush suede, jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty. It's travel day, baby. We have made it to the airport, y'all. We made it to the airport. It is time to partake on the cousins trip 2.0. Last year we did Jamaica. All these bricks. This year we in Cabo. It's me and Mika's birthday, and it's time to enjoy all of what Cabo has for us. Laughter, drinks, excursions, experiences, love, okay? All of the things. I'm so excited to be with my cousins. I miss them dearly. But you know, we all grown now, so we all gotta live our own little lives. Such a sad story. You know, I miss the days where I could just be like, Mom, I'm going to Auntie Margie's house. Or Mom, I'm going to see Mika and Jazz. Or Mom, I'm about to head to see Ryan. You know, like them days, I miss them days. But now we all in different areas. North Carolina, Ohio, Houston, Miami. Like, we everywhere. So it's very special that we all get this opportunity to be together. Honestly, yesterday, the vibes was a little off as well because we lost another family member. And for those who have a huge family, you understand that some days you honestly wake up and you've lost another family member, and it's kind of like, damn, what's going on? But I'm just so happy that my cousin no longer has to like deal with the pains of cancer. So rest in peace to her. I'm praying for my cousins, her children, as they go through this hard time. But yeah, we are celebrating us, but we are also celebrating her life today and this weekend. So let's get into this airport because we do have to check a bag. Y'all hate checking a bag. And also, distracted. Ordered, bags for my people, and they didn't show up. We talked about this yesterday, and I was really hopeful that they was just gonna pop up my front door, and that didn't happen. Okay, that did not happen. So that's sad, and that sucks. But it is what it is. We're gonna have a good trip. Let's go ahead and head into this airport. Nice to meet you, Mo.
Malik.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
I will need your passport and.
Hola. Thank you. Thank you so much.
De unos 15 años. Sí, una.
For almost 2 hours.
Your followers will never be ready for that.
Ever. Okay? Period. You're going to be the opening shot.
I'm fine with it.
I know you are.
Your content is actually looking really good.
Thank you.
I said I should have a little bit of everything.
Listen, I'm trying to adjust my content because I feel like I love fashion, but
It's not where you want to be right now.
exactly.
So you're just trying to find your one.
Yeah.
I get it.
So we're getting there.
Do you want to go back to makeup? Because
Yeah, I'm going back to makeup, skin, and hair, which is literally me. So, what y'all doing over there?
I gotta take it.
So between her flashing me and you talking about you gotta take a y'all gonna be the opening ones. Opening shot.
She gonna be like,
No, I didn't
She
say
gonna
that.
open us like,
I
this
said
is-
it's
this
something
is
in my
what we
throat and I need to spit. I got warrants out.
All the girls. I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. And that's all I need. Me and my Harry turning up another night. We smoking broccoli, but she smelling like a rat. I'm in a penny trying to get out in a cry.
Hey guys, we have made it. Y'all hear those rushing waters? Baby, we're at the beach, okay? I have not checked in with y'all. And honestly, it's because a lot has been happening. My room wasn't ready till 3. I've been here since 8. So realistically, I feel like today I'm just going to vibe out with the family. And then tomorrow we'll tap back in. So I'll see y'all tomorrow.